Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we are bringing you latest tech reviews, tips and tricks. Today we are diving into Poco M7 Pro, a smartphone that's making waves in the mid-range segment. Is it worth your money? Let's find out. First, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you get the Poco M7 Pro, a 33-watt fast charger, a USB-C type cable, a SIM ejector tool. Holding the phone for first time, it feels premium with its sleek design and sturdy build. The glass back with the gradient finish really stands out. Let me know in the comments what do you think of this design. The Poco M7 Pro comes with a 6.67 inches AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant and the smoothness is the treat, especially for gamer and binge watchers. It's also protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5, so you get that extra durability. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset paired with up to 8GB of RAM. In our test, it handled multitasking and gaming like a champ. PUBG and Call of Duty run smoothly on high setting, and I did not notice any major heating issues. Moving to the cameras, the Poco M7 Pro features a dual camera setup with a 64 megapixel primary sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. In daylight, the photos are sharp and detailed with accurate colors. The low light performance is decent with the build in light mode doing a great job of reducing noise. The 16 megapixel front camera is great for selfies with clear details and natural skin tones. Bloggers and content creators will also love the 4K video recording option. The phone packs a 5000 mAh battery which easily lasts a full day of heavy use, and with the 33-watt fast charging, you can go from 0 to 5% in just 30 minutes. It runs on MIUI 14 based on Android 13. The software is smooth, but yes, it does comes with some pre-installed apps. Most of them can be uninstalled. The Poco M7 Pro is priced at 14,000 to 15,000. So, if you are a gamer, a camera enthusiast, or someone who loved a good-looking phone with solid performance, the Poco M7 Pro is definitely worth considering. That's it for our review of the Poco M7 Pro. What do you think about this device? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more another amazing content.